It's here.
Thumbnail.
Thumbnail. It's finally here. After almost 2.5 weeks, 3 weeks. We ran into issues trying to get this. Ordered it first. It came in, and it came in with a wrong gigabyte size. Came in 64 and I wanted 256. But nevertheless, it's finally here. The new iPhone, because it's iPhone season. And I know you've seen a lot of them out there on the internet, out on YouTube, but hey, what's another unbox? Why not? Let's get to it. Now this time around, they actually changed it from being a white box to a black, more stealthy kind of box. Here it goes. There it is. So I ended up getting the Midnight Green Max because it's a new color and figured, you know, why not change it up? It looked kind of cool. So, and it looks even better in person. It looks awesome. Let's see. Shall we? Let's do it. That sound never gets old. And I like the back glass. It's like a matte finish to it, so it doesn't leave any fingerprints, which is kind of cool. The previous one was all glass, so when you touch the back, you actually left fingerprints on it. But this one, no signs. Other than the Apple logo, which they actually moved it down a little bit too from the previous model. And where the cameras are is actually glass, so that's pretty cool. Let's set this to the side and see what else comes in the box. So, comes with your typical instructions and SIM card tool. And can never forget about the stickers. I should start making different color stickers. That would be kind of cool. Kind of go with the same color as the phones. That would be awesome. Get this in here real quick. Whatever. All right, so in the box, you get the new supercharger. So now it charges a lot faster. And it's got a USB Type-C connection, which on the phone itself, just a lightning connection. So it's kind of a bummer they didn't go USB Type-C with both ends. And you get your typical headphones. Now for the price range, it would have been pretty cool if they added AirPods, but I guess not. I guess it wasn't expensive enough. And you also get your cable for your charging needs. And that's pretty much it. All right, so back to the iPhone. This is the bigger screen, which I believe is 6.5. And there's the other version, which is a smaller one, which is 5.8, I want to say. Now, they both are pretty much identical as far as how many pixels they have. I think it's 458. Don't quote me on that. I'm probably wrong. But somewhere on that area. But the only big differences between the two is the sizing. Other than that, it's the same exact business all around. Yeah, I mean, it's awesome. It's pretty cool. New updated features, obviously the camera. Now, everybody says it looks kind of like a stovetop, but I actually kind of think it looks like that surprise emoji face. I see it. With 12 megapixels in all three. One is the ultra wide, which is new, which I can't wait to test it out. then you have your regular camera, and then your telephoto. And then on the front, you have, I believe it's also a 12 megapixel camera, or it might be a 7. I think it's in the, let me check. I don't know, it doesn't say. Should have done research. I mean, other than that, it's pretty much your typical iOS design software. Now, should you upgrade if you had, let's say, a XS Max or even an 8? I honestly say if you had an 8, yes, definitely do so. If you had the XS Max, maybe, maybe not. I mean, depends on what you really use your phone for. If you were super big into photography, I'd definitely say a definitely yes. But I mean, if you just use your phones just like anything else, calls, messaging, surfing the web, anything like that, I don't really see a big need for it. Definitely hold off maybe for the refresh that they do somewhere on March, I believe. But I mean, yeah, really can't wait to put the new cameras to good use. Now, one thing that I am definitely waiting for is for Filmic Pro to release the update for their app, which will allow the Pro to use multiple cameras at once. Now that's going to be a game changer, especially for people that vlog with their phones. They're going to be able to have a front-facing view and also a rear view of whatever the vlogger is watching. So that's going to be pretty cool. All right, well, there you guys go. iPhone 11 Pro Max unboxing. Just a little quick unboxing here for you guys. I'm not really gonna get into the details because there's tons of videos out there already that beat me to it, unfortunately, because my phone came in late. But hey, what are we gonna do? At least I was able to squeeze in my video in the masses out there. But I'm definitely gonna be doing a lot of photography with this because that's something I enjoy doing, and one of the main reasons why I got the iPhone 11 Pro Max, especially the ultra wide. The ultra wide is gonna be awesome. So if you guys want to see more content on the 11 Pro, especially the cameras, just let me know down in the comments. Make sure you subscribe if you want. If you want, not, it's okay. But if you want to see the content, might as well subscribe. But I'm definitely going to be doing some more reviews with the camera. Yeah, I mean, other than that, I mean, you guys are awesome. If you guys want to drop a follow, that's great. If you want to like the video, awesome. If not, then dislike it, I guess. And stay tuned for the next one.